Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to do this look that I have on right now, and it's all with the Shop Miss A products. Everything from Shop Miss A is usually $1 or a little bit above $1, and it's affordable makeup for beginners. So we're just going to get right into that tutorial. I know I'm gonna be a little ambitious with this, but I think I'm gonna try to do a cut crease using this concealer. It's a little bit watery and I like it, but I'm gonna try it. Alright, now we're gonna attempt this cut crease. Let's see how this goes. This, I'm gonna put some mascara on. This is from Shop Miss A, but it is LA color. They do offer different brands. I actually did a review on all these products in my last video. So if you wanna check that out, I'll leave it right here. Or is it here? One of those. Almost forgot to try out this, so we're gonna put this on now, the lip mask, and then we're gonna wait 15 minutes. Let's see what it says it's supposed to do. Says Spa Scripture Gold Hydro I can't put it up. Hydro Gel Lip Mask is an ultimate luxurious anti-aging skin treatment. I'm not, honestly, I don't know if I want to leave this on for no 15 minutes. It done fell off the bottom lip. There you go. Maybe like, more like 5 minutes. I don't know what that did, but moving on. We're gonna put on some of this No Pore primer. See how this goes. Okay, I lied. That lip mask, my lips are tingling a little bit. I don't know if I should be worried or what. So I didn't ever get a sponge from them, so I'm just gonna use this brush. I know it's not made for foundation probably, but I'm trying to use all their products. Okay, this is kind of not bad. The color. I'm gonna have to cheat and get a sponge because all right. So next, instead of using the concealer because it's hella light, I'm gonna actually go on with this other foundation under my eye. I don't have a contour palette from them, so I'm gonna just try to highlight some different parts of my face.
You'll easily find music that you love.
One thing I noticed about this shadow that it has, all the shadows have a shimmer to it, which I'm not really a big fan of. Maybe I should I don't know how to refrain myself, so let's add some pink right here. F2. Their brushes are actually really soft. Next, we're gonna go in there with a little bit of blush, and this is the blush shade Stunner. Can never get this right. We're only gonna use a little bit, like a little bit. Chocolate by LA Colors. Now that that's all filled in, we're going to use their lipstick by Muse. I still don't know what the shade is though. It doesn't say. This is the finished look. It's not bad. Everything in here was $1, and the only thing I had a problem with was maybe just the concealer, because I couldn't actually use the concealer under my eye. I had to actually use another foundation, but I'm shocked. And I also didn't like the lip mask thing. I don't know if it's just me or if it's the mask, but it's not for me. But I would recommend, if you are a beginner, to actually go on Shop Miss A and try out some of their products, because they're pretty good and their brushes are actually really soft. And the only thing I couldn't get from them, I didn't get, it probably was sold out at the time, was some setting spray. And I didn't get a lip gloss. I actually forgot about the lip gloss. But if you like this look and you want to see more, make sure you hit the like button down below. Comment, tell me what you like, what you didn't like. Subscribe to my channel, become a part of my family. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.